Made in India sewing machine. This is the common question that comes to me very frequently, and this time Rajesh Sanodia asked me this question. Hello everyone, I'm Dimple Anand and welcome on stitchingworld.com. So here we are taking an important question for everyone who lives in India and wants to buy a best sewing machine that is manufactured in India. So here, see, basically we'll talk about the popular brands that of sewing machines that are used in India, why they are used, where those sewing machines are made, and what you may expect out of those sewing machines, and what are the sewing machines that are manufactured in India and what you may expect out of that. So this is all we are going to discuss, and of course we'll also get to know which is the best sewing machine and how you may choose the best sewing machine for your purpose, your use and your requirements. So stay till the end of the video so you get to know many things which you may not be knowing about your sewing machine. One of the oldest sewing machine that is popular in India is Singer. Since 1930-1960, when the Isaac Singer started sewing machine factories in India and around the world, Singer became a prominent brand of sewing machine that every household had, because the sewing thing, the hand sewing, that came to be transferred into machine sewing, and that saved a lot of time and efforts. That way Singer is a popular brand, but it is a New Jersey, New York based company, American company, and the machine is also made in Thailand and Taiwan. It is not made in India, but this machine, Singer machine, is popular in India. Now if you wonder, if this machine is not made in India, where would I get the customer service? So for customer service, because Singer has a very old origin of serving people of India with their sewing machines, so here they have a good base of customer service, dealers, showroom, and the mechanics, sewing machine, most of all, the most important thing is the sewing machine mechanics are also very well versed, very comfortable working on a sewing machine, that Singer sewing machine, and they know how to repair or service that. So servicing or repairing a Singer machine is not a problem for them. You can easily get that done. And if you remember earlier, I had shared one video on Stitching World Hindi channel about the best customer service of the sewing machine companies, or the best sewing machine that gives best customer service. So there I had done a research and I had called all the companies myself, and I got to find out that Singer is one of the best company in India that provides customer service wherever available. Okay, rest of the places you may find your local customer service person or sewing machine mechanic who will repair your machine. Second company, that is Usha Genome. So see, Usha is an Indian company, Genome is a Japanese company, and around 90s both of these companies collaborated and they came up with Usha Genome brand in India. So here also the machines are not manufactured in India. Usha Genome sewing machines are made in Vietnam and China, and in India, around India, they are only marketed, they are only sold. If you talk about customer service, Usha Genome has one of the biggest network of customer service, and you may get, if you need, you can call them and book your demo and servicing. So Usha Genome is one of the most popular because of the beautiful design of the sewing machines, and the sewing machine brand, the sewing machines of Usha Genome are more appealing, more attractive, better marketed than Singer. Singer is basically a classic model with all the required features that you may have in Usha Genome or Brother or your Burnett machines, right? So third machine that is getting popularity in India, that is Brother. Brother is also a US based American company, and this machine is also not made in India. These machines are imported in India and sold here. So Brother machines, if you go to their website, they clearly say they don't provide demo, they don't provide servicing. So anyways, if you buy a Brother sewing machine, you can either tie up with some local service mechanic, or you can find some Usha or Singer sewing machine mechanic and get your machine repaired if needed. Generally, all these sewing machines, if you keep the bobbin area clean, do a basic maintenance of your machine, you don't need much servicing. And the repair parts also you may buy online or offline, and they are interchangeable, like Singer or Usha. Those spare parts can be used on Brother or Burnett also. So they are interchangeable. Now comes the number of Burnett or Bernina. Earlier it was Bernina sewing machine company. So it is, the model is Burnett. That is also imported in India. That is Swiss or a Switzerland based company, a home run company that started, and later on it started its factory and started exporting the sewing machines beyond Switzerland. So here also the features, one thing between Bernina and Brother, I tell you, Brother sewing machines, you will get more features at lower cost, okay, as compared to Usha Janome and Singer. Even compared to Bernina, this Brother is cheaper with more features, right? If you want more sturdy machine, that is more durable, more strong machine, classic machine, then it would be a good idea to go for Burnett. So these are the prominent, those main models that are sold in India and they are popular. These are all domestic use sewing machine models, most of them. Even if you want to go for some heavy duty or umbrella machines or full shuttle machines, you may go for Usha or Singer. Okay, Brother is your home use beginner level sewing machines. Bernina also is computerized or home use, designer use sewing machines. So if here we come back to the boutique level sewing machines, so there you may also choose Juki or Jack. Jack is also a Chinese company, Juki Japan company. So these machines can be used. Juki is far more expensive, Jack is slightly cheaper. And if we come to the sewing machines that are manufactured in India, they are local sewing machines. But here also the click is, if you do a little bit of research about the sewing machine company, if it is good or not. I hope you'll find this information useful, and this way you'll be able to understand better which machine is best for your use, whether you should go for a local machine that is manufactured around your area, but you may not be having some brand kind of status kind of a thing attached to it, but the price may be half. But if the quality is good or the brand value in the local market is good, then perhaps you can go for that. So this is all for this video. Thank you so much watching the video, subscribing to the channel, liking the video, and sharing the video with all those people who want to overcome their fear of sewing machines and want to earn money with sewing. So if you want to attend a Hindi, English webinar on how to earn with your hobby or sewing, then you may register on the link below and you maybe get selected for the next webinar. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Take care. God bless you.